Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is how to get add yours on your Instagram app. If you are interested in the video, be with us till the end. Just go to your pre-installed Instagram app. As you open the app and after you see your homepage, just go on, after you see your feed, just go on the top left section of this page which says at your story. From this section you'll be able to add your story. When you click on it, you'll find some pictures. You can just select any of your recent pictures and let's just say this one. Now after that, just click on the sticker option at the top side of this page. As you see this screen, click on add yours, that is at the top right. Now from this you can write any prompt that you want others to follow. So I'll just say your nature picture, and from this people will get to know that they'll have to add their nature pictures, like any of the pictures that is related to nature. You can write anything. So after that I'll just tap on add yours and then click on the done tab at the top right, and I'll just settle it in the middle maybe, or at the top. Just do it in the middle, and then click on your story from the bottom left side. Not now, hold on a second, slide down so that it gets refreshed. After that, click on your story, hold on a second, and voila, your story has been posted. Now people will click on the add yours blue tab whenever they see your story, and they'll add their nature picture. So that's it. Thank you for being with us till the end. If you liked the video or if the video was helpful, do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon below so that you get notified each and every single time we upload a new video for you. Thank you.